Hey there. I'm going to try and keep the chit chat to a minimum. I don't have a microphone, and trying to talk in the garage, I've noticed on my videos it's real echoey and kind of undesirable to listen to. Plus, nobody wants to hear someone yammer on for 5-10 minutes about nothing. The long and short of what I'm doing, I have this little mini vice grip clamp and some scraps of steel. I want to make a portable little tool caddy for tape measure, pencil, pen, whatever, my square, ruler, things like that, I could clip onto various workstations that I have throughout my garage here, like my table saw, my radial arm saw. I have a tool stand made up, and there's just no room for anything. There's pencils always rolling around, tape measures always falling off my hip or whatever. So I have a nice little portable caddy that I can just clip onto my little tables or work area that I'm at and have my stuff right there with me. So it's kind of a rainy day out, which is nice. The weather's cooled off, the humidity's dropped down a little bit, and want to do some TIG welding, and that works out real well. I can have the doors shut. I don't have to worry about sweating and getting shocked all over everything. So yeah, we're going to get this project going and practice some TIG welding. Here we go.